Yeah, guys, welcome to Easy Tech Academy. Right, so today, guys, this phone Nokia 105. This is Nokia 105. So it was brought to me that they have changed the screen multiple times, but yet it's showing a white display. So let me try to power it on. This Nokia 105. So let me try to power it on. So let us confirm. Okay. So I'm trying to power it on. So now you can see showing a white. Actually, the phone has boot normally, but it's displaying a white. So what are we going to do in this case? Is they have changed the screen. They have changed the screen with different type, but yet it's not. It's still displaying the white. Okay, so guys, what are we going to do? We all know that it's only one IC that is controlling all the session of this channel Bluetooth phone. So only one IC. So you can call it PMIC or CPU or anyone. So we can just say it's the one that is controlling everything on this mobile phone. So I'm going to reball the CPU or PMIC. So let us see what whether there will be a change, and if there is no change, so that will be a request of changing the IC. So let me switch to microscope and try to reball the IC. Okay. Right, so this is the IC. This IC. So it's a spectrum. That's spectrum. So it's a spectrum chipset. It's okay. So now let me try to run it. It's okay. So alright guys, so now I have rebuilt the CPU. I hope you see all the process. Alright, so let me now try to power it on and check it. So let me try to power it on and check, and let's see whether the condition change. So if it doesn't change, that means we are going to get another chip, another AC. You understand? So let me try to power it on. It's not yet coming up. It's not yet coming up. Wow, guys, you can see the condition have changed, right? Wow. You can see the white display has gone. Wow. So they have changed multiple screen, changed everything, but yet it's not working. So they have tested the phone with different screen, everything, but yet it's not working. So you know, it is the IC that is controlling the display. So the white display has gone. By simple step, just reballing. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, so if you are watching from YouTube, subscribe. If you are watching from my Facebook account, TikTok, or Instagram, so you can follow this account. So love you guys. So see you in next tutorial. Bye.